Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you were studying about the word problems, and I have explained you till question number 3 in yesterday's video, and question number 4 was given you as homework. So in today's video we are going to study, or we are going to understand question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. Since all the questions were very lengthy, that's why I have not continued these 3 questions in the same video, because it might get so long and आप लोग बोर हो जाओगे ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो होगी तो. So students, now we have to proceed with question number 5. Question number 5 is, in one night a movie theatre sells tickets for rupees 6,450.75. Each ticket costs rupees $15. How many people purchased a ticket? So we have to find out that how many people have purchased the ticket here. So in one night, what is the selling of the tickets amount, total profit or the selling price of the tickets? Let me write the first statement for you. And yes, I want everybody, this is today's task, I want every single student to frame the first statement of this question in their own way, not mine. आप अपनी खुद की statement बनाइए and kindly comment down in the comment section. Let's see how many statements I am getting today. So my statement is selling price of all the tickets. ये एक रात का सेलिंग प्राइस है, ठीक है, इन वन नाइट. इन वन नाइट आई एम मेंशनिंग दैट ऑल्सो इज इक्वल्स टू, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी आप इन वन नाइट नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो भी आपकी स्टेटमेंट सही होगी, इट विल बी करेक्ट. ओके, इट इज़ रुपीज़ 6,450.75. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस ऑफ वन टिकट? It is $15. Price of one ticket is equals to, it is not rupees, it should be in dollar na, rupees 6,450.75. So I am writing the symbol of rupees only as it is given in the book also. Now each ticket costs rupees $15 and mention dollars over here. Rupees $15. So this is the price of one ticket, and you know the total amount that is collected from solding the tickets. So how will you find out that how many people have purchased a ticket? For that you have to find out what? Number of tickets sold. कितनी टिकट्स बेची गई उससे ये पता चल जाएगा कि कितने लोगों ने टिकट खरीदी. Because here we are assuming that one person has purchased one ticket. Okay, so now for that what we have to do in this question, we have to find out total number of tickets sold. So we are going to divide it. The total price will be divided by the cost of one ticket, then you will get to know the final answer. So once we are going to divide, because there is less space, I am going to perform the division here. So I am going to rub it. If you have not noted down, kindly pause the video, note down the things written on the board and then play it again. Okay students? Now let me perform the division. 6,450.75. Okay, so 15 fours are 60. Okay students, 4 remainder. Now 5 will be dropped down. Now we all know that 15 threes are 45. Again 0 is there, so 0 will be dropped down. Now 15 zeros are 0. Now once I was explaining you about the division of decimals with the whole numbers, since as you all can see that there is a decimal point, so here also you have to place the decimal point in the question, because after 0 there is decimal point. Now coming to 7, drop down 7, 7, does it comes in the table of 15? No, it does not comes in the table of 15. So 15 zeros are 0. Now I will drop down 5. Now 75, does it comes in the table of 15? Yes, it definitely comes in the table of 15. 15 5s are 75. Okay students. So now we have got the final answer. So how many people have purchased the ticket, students? 430. On an average, 430 people have purchased the ticket. You cannot consider 0.05 in people, okay? So the final answer is 430 people. I hope you must have understood question number 5. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 6. So let me rub this. If you have not noted down, again I am telling you the procedure. Kindly pause the video, note down and then play it again. Okay. The question number 6 is, a weatherman was measuring the amount of rain in 2 cities received over a week. City A received 10.97 inches while city B received 8.4 inches. How much rain did they get in total? It's very easy question since total word is written over here. So you all have to tell me in the comment section that what we have to do in this question. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Kindly comment down in the comment section, students. So the first statement will be length of rainfall received by city A. Again I am giving you a task to all the students. You have to comment in the comment section your own statement. This is my statement. आपका क्या statement है जो आपने form किया है? You have to comment down in the comment section. Okay students. Next statement would be length of rainfall received by city B. So what is the length of rainfall received by city B? It is 8.4 inches. Okay students. Now total rainfall received by both the cities. Here in the question it is asked what is the total length of rainfall or the amount of rainfall received by both the cities. So for that what we have to do in this question, students, let me rub this first. If you have not noted down, kindly pause the video and note down and then play it again. So total rainfall received by both the cities, for that we have to add the rainfall of both the cities. So 10.97 will be added to 8.4. So I have already told you कि decimal के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए. So point यहाँ पे आपका 4 था, यहाँ पे आपका 8 था, यहाँ पे आपका कुछ नहीं है तो you can mention 0 on both the sides. Okay. So 9 plus 4 is 13.9. So the total length of rainfall received by both the cities is 19.37 inches. Right students, what is the total length of rainfall received by both the cities? It is 19.37 inches. I hope you must have understood, students. Now let's move on to the next question. So students, question number 7 will be your homework. We have done till question number 6. Question number 7 is total weight of cherry and lime jelly which Rohan bought for his birthday party was 5.4 kg. If 4.20 kg of jelly was cherry flavored, find the weight of the other. So what we have to do in this question, he has bought cherry and lime jelly and the total weight of both is 5.4 kg. Now what is the weight of jelly? The jelly of cherry was 4.20 kg. So we have to find out the weight of lime jelly. So in this question we have to subtract. So 5.4 will be subtracted from 4.20. Okay. 4.20 will be subtracted from 5.4 because 5.4 is bigger. So that will be on upside and we have to convert both the decimals into like decimals. So it will be 5.40 and downwards it will be 4.20, then we have to subtract and we will get the answer. You have to frame your own statements. So if there will be any problem, any queries, you can comment down in the comment section, and I hope you must have understood. समझ में आया होगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करके जाइएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.